Good morning, student. Today we teach about charts of Calc lesson number 8 of standard 10. With the advancement of technology and the increased need of technical analysis, the use of charts has increased. Utility of charts is one of the factors that make the spreadsheet package widely popular. Charts are illustrations of a business situations with ability to display a significant amount of information in active way. A chart is also considered as a graphical presentation of numerical data. To prepare a chart, one needs to have basic knowledge about various charts concepts underlying the chart, patterns, and their applications. Types of chart. According to the nature of applications and requirement, a chart type should be selected. Charts are used for various purposes such as telling history, presenting trends, or find out explanation cases. That means an incorrect choice of chart can lead to proper presentation of the concept and generates misunderstanding. On the other hand, correct choice of charts can lead to right and faster decisions. Popular reasons why we should go for a chart are mentioned below for comparisons, for uh, demonstration of distribution, for understanding of situation, for analysis of trend over the time, for investigation divisions, and for identifying and understanding the relationship between entities. Make it clear what you want to select and arrange data, remove invalid data, determine the best chart type. Also check the data you have collected for the chart are sufficient or not. Prepare the chart and format the chart. Next, inserting a chart. The chart wizard of Calc is actually a set of simple and user-friendly steps to perform chatting options in the spreadsheet package. What one has to do is just select the data and then invoke the chart wizard. Rest of the things are taken care by the wizard. The chart wizard dialog box is as shown in figure 8.2. Next, selecting chart type. Selecting a column chart, you can also see preview of how a typical column chart looks. The preview updates every time you select a different type of charts and provides a good idea of what the selected chart will look like. Calci offers a choice of 10 basic chart types. You may see other chart types along with their respective preview in the chart wizard. The chart type are column chart, bar chart, pie chart, line chart, area chart, XY chart, chart, net chart, stock chart, and column chart. Once you select a chart type, you may choose further options such as look of a chart and shape of the chart. The Calci also offers a few options for each type of charts. Options vary according to the type of chart you pick. At any time, you can go back to a previous step and change selections. Data series. The chart wizard also used to customize data range for the chart preparation. Here, we use values selected automatically by the chart wizard. Figure 814 shows the default data series considered by the chart wizard. Data range. Once you have selected the chart type, you need to provide necessary data. One possibility is that you have already selected a range of data before clicking the insert chart option. As we did. If not so, we can still select it by clicking on the data range options as shown in figure 8.3. Calci is smart enough to identify data range even if the part of data range is selected instead of the complete data range prior, prior uh, to insertion of a chart. Data elements chart wizard lets you to enter value of different chart elements such as the title, subtitle, x-axis, captions, locations of legend, and options to display the grids. Figure 8.5 shows a screen of chart wizard that allows us to set data elements. The chart elements such as title of the chart, subtitles of the chart, and information about axis and legend are provided through this phase of the chart wizard. As shown in figure 8.5, the first option with the chart elements option is title. Here you can provide main title of the chart. The second option is subtitle which lets you enter the subtitle of the chart. The title and subtitle are placed on top of the chart within the chart area. Once you are done with the title and subtitle, you may provide information about the axis title information regarding their axis, namely x-axis, y-axis, and z-axis, can be provided here. You can also choose the display legend or not at this stage using display legend option. If you have opted for display legend option, you need to provide further choice about where you want to display the legend, left, right, top, or bottom of the chart. By default, the legend is visible and placed right side of the chart within the chart area. Next, elements of chart. A chart generally has components such as a area, chart title, and subtitles. Chart axis with values, chart data areas axis, chart data area legends for the chart axis, data series, and chart flow. An alternative way to create a chart and Alternative, you can select the chart icons uh, standard toolbar. If you cannot see the standard toolbar, you can make the toolbar visible by view toolbar option as discussed earlier. Figure 8.6 also shows some labels indicating elements of chart. These table labels are described in your textbook page number 159. Formatting and modifying chart. Many times you need to customize the chart according to your requirement. That is, you may wish to modify the chart according to your style. An alternative way to create a chart. Alternatively, you can select modifying the place and size of the charts. When a chart is created, it assumes the default appearance and placement, usually in current worksheets. Sometimes you do not like the location of the chart where it is placed by default. Sometimes you do not like its size. You can move the whole chart by selecting it with just a left click and dragging it by its handle with mouse to a described position. You may copy it or cut it and paste at a new location. Similarly, you can resize the chart by selecting the chart and dragging it using mouse through its handle. The following section describes various ways to format or modify a chart. The first thing you may notice about the chart, besides its locations and size, its type. Say from the column type of charts you want a line chart now. The first thing you may must remember is to bring the chart into edit mode. To do so, double click in a chart area. A gray border appears around the chart as on figure 8.9. You may right click the chart area to modify its various parameters.